This problem is black to play, and the goal is to kill these 3 white stones. I would consider this an easy problem because black's moves are pretty intuitive, even for beginners. So, of course, if black plays anywhere else, white can easily capture this 1 black stone, and black will fail. So, of course, black must Atari here. And now white captures this 1 black stone. So now the thinking is actually very simple. These 3 white stones now have 1, 2, and 3 liberties left. And the order that black can occupy white's liberties is A, B, and C. There's no other way. You cannot play C, it's an illegal move. You cannot play B, it is a tiger's mouth, so you can only play A here. And now if white occupies black's liberty from the outside, then black can come in here and win this race to capture. If white 4 plays here, then once again, white only has 3 liberties left, 1, 2, and 3, and black will have to occupy white's liberties in this order, A, B, and C. So this is really a 3 liberties versus 3 liberties situation, and black will be able to capture white like this. So overall, this is a really easy problem, and I think the main takeaway is to know, for beginners, the order of the liberties to occupy for black. Thank you for watching.